right, so here's your math lesson. Okay, so we've been talking about measuring length, and you can use a ruler, which has inches on it. This is 1 inch. From right there to the 1 is 1 inch. Remember we talked about it's about the width of your thumb, not exact, but about. So if you were out somewhere, you wanted to kind of know how long something was, you could use from your thumb knuckle and count the inches. We know that 12 inches from yesterday we learned is a foot. Remember, a foot is about the length of your arm. So this is 12 inches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 inches. That equals 1 foot. And then this is a yard. A yard is about the length of your leg. A yard has 36 inches in it. So 36 of your thumb knuckles. And it's equal to 3 feet. So if I measure this out, I'm going to come back a little bit. There's 1, 2, and 3. And a yard is about the length of your leg. So I always try to get a body part idea in. So if you're out of the store and you have to think about measurement, you can think about body parts. So this is about 1 inch. This is a foot. And then your whole leg is about a yard. So today I want to talk about, you guys did a great job with your lesson yesterday. Today I want to talk about, let's say that you had a table that was 2 feet wide, but you want to figure out how many inches that is. So it's called relating inches, feet, and yards. So look at this. 1 foot, I've said this already, equals 12 inches, okay? 1 yard, this yardstick, equals 3 feet. I just showed you that. 3 rulers fit on a yard. 1 yard equals 36 inches. And I just showed you that too. See the 36? So 1 yard. So let's say you had to figure out, you had a table and it was 2 feet. But I want to know how many inches that is. So remember, 1 foot is 12 inches. So Mrs. Frazier is going to, if it's 2 feet, I'm going to draw kind of 2 feet to get my brain clicked. So let's just pretend those are 2 feet. And I'm going to have 12 plus 12. And 12 plus 12, easy. I add my 1s is 4 and my 10s is 2. So this would equal 24. So if I wanted to find out a table that's 2 feet long, that equals 24 inches. Okay? So let's say we were measuring a chair and we found out that it was 1 yard. Well, how many feet is that? So remember, if I have a yard, this is our yard, it's about as long as our leg. Remember what we said? How many rulers is in a yard? Yeah, 3. So there's 1, 1, and 1. So 1 yard equals 3 feet. Let's say we were measuring a slide outside and the slide was 3 yards long. But I didn't want to know that. I wanted to know how many feet that was. So I'm going to draw 3 yards. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now remember again, 1 yard is 3 feet. So I'm going to put 3 on the top of each of them. So I'm just going to add it up. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So it's 9 feet. You have a couch that is 4 feet, but I want to know how many inches. So again, I'm going to draw 4 feet. I draw what it tells me. And then so I'm going to inches, so I'm going to put 12 because I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So 12 and 12 and 12 and 12. Okay. And I'm going to do 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 ones with no regrouping. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So it's 48 inches. So here we just related inches, feet, and yards. So on Schoology, I'm going to write this down. And I'm going to have you do some conversions, changing from feet to yards or inches to feet or what have you. Okay? So pretty easy. So again, we talked about measurement. This is an inch right there. This is a foot. And this is a yard. All right. I miss you all. Bye.